Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO F5 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select Accounts and Sync and click on Add Account. Now choose the Google, as we want to add Google account. So just pick the Google sign and wait till your device find all necessary info. From now on, you can smoothly start signing in. Let's start with providing either your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. So let me enter it. And then just mark go. Okay, so I made some typo here. Okay, so now it's proper one. Tap on next then. And here it's time to enter the password. So also let me do it off the screen. As only your password is entered, click on next. And now mark if you are using this device or if it belongs to your kiddo. Select next. Here go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with everything, just mark I agree. If you wish to activate Google Backup, just leave it active. And if you don't, just unmark it here, mark agree. Obviously, you can activate it later on. But basically, that's it. You've just added your Google account to this device. You can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.